Ma'am, are you coming down? Oh, okay. All right. We're coming up. All right, I'll see you in a minute.
That's a long drive. I'm tired, bro.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's like 3 o'clock, 2:40. You don't know what work is.
Dude, your boobs shake a lot. It was gross. Go.
Now I gotta edit this now. You fuck. Put music in the background. Hi, ma'am. How are you? Great. That's a mirror. Oh.
What about not even eat? Why do you bring that?
Look, Alexi's here. Look. Oh.
Hey guys,
Hey, what's up?
we got the black one.
Oh yeah.
This one? Are y'all sure y'all want to let it go?
Yeah, you sure?
I mean, you can still have more tuck tape on it.
There's more duct tape on
That
it?
couch is only 3 years old.
And you got a cat or what?
No, that's you sitting in it and it's
Really?
just like that. I mean, that's horrid.
Let's drag it outside first. Get that outside.
You're the worst. Alright.
Y'all stay in school, go to college, or you'll end up like us.
You don't want to move junk for that. Ready, set, go.
Push.
Push. Pick up, huh? Y'all got a new couch on the way or what? Are you struggling?
You know what? I just noticed something. You're not doing a damn thing. I'm sorry, ma'am. I'm sorry. I mean, you're not doing anything.
I was.
No, you're just holding it.
Go.
I can tell he's holding it. Look at him, ma'am.
I'm strong.
Well, he's balancing it. See?
He's not pushing.
You doing anything? You're gonna have to go sideways. That's not gonna fit. It's not gonna fit. It's gonna fit. Ready, set, go.
It's his middle part. Like this.
Oh, it's right there. It's not letting you see it.
Eyesores.
A lot of memories on it though. You have to go that way.
Pick it up, pick it up.
No, go that way a little bit. There you go. See? Go. Okay. Go. Did you do anything?
I hate you.
Why would I bring this?
We can dolly it that way.
How?
Stick it right underneath there. Oh, okay, yeah.
That's not gonna work. Ready?
Let's go.
All right, we got it.
Alright, I'll see you in a minute.
All right.
How do we do this? This way. It's always gonna fit, isn't it?
Set it back up. It's taller than the door. Same way. Same way we went through that door.
Okay.
I got scratched bad.
You got scratched? Hey. Hey. I'm sorry. I got a little boo-boo.
Fuck. Gonna die.
I know. Oh my God.
Look at that.
It's your belly's in the way. Yeah, that's a bad one. Hey, your belly's in the way. Suck in.
You will shut the. Let's go, motherfucking door.
Yeah.
Close. Hit the close button. That one.
What's that alarm for?
Oh my God.
Dude. How'd you do that? On these staples?
Almost gashed me open. It itches too. It doesn't hurt. It just itches.
You're about to bleed.
I'm gonna bleed out. So my wife's daughter always says, "I'm gonna bleed out, Mom." Wait, son. I'm hurt. I'm hurt. I'm gonna bleed out. Come on, get this out.
Lean back.
Lean back. Okay, go.
It's gonna squish me. Oh my God, it's gonna squish me. Oh my God, it's gonna squish me. Oh, I can't go under there.
How you doing, sir?
I'm doing just dandy. How about you?
Just great. Watch out with that little doggy there. Yeah.
I like this. You open the doors and stuff, and he does all the heavy.
Don't bring that up, please. God.
Even this guy recognizes me.
George, same thing.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Hey, you too.
There. Pull it that way. That way. Hey.
Look at that gash.
Yeah, it's bad. Do you realize how everybody notices I do all the work? I just want to let you know that.
Sometimes I hate you.
Don't hate me because you hate me. What do you want, in the backpack?
Yeah, let's just put it in the back of the truck.
Oh no, what's that?
So, are you kidding me? I almost fell.
Huh?
Almost fell. I didn't see that curve. That's why I lost it.
Here, pull it.
Hold it right here.
Yeah, I'm holding. Watch out. They were looking. And I looked and they shut the door. I'll get the heavy side on back. Right.
Get the dolly. I don't know how she was gonna pay. I have no idea. I'll call her. She didn't expect us to go back up there, did she? Huh? Long Street.
What?
Long Street.
What?
That's where we're going next.
Long Street, Fort Park?
Yeah. It's up for removal.